This is what he's got. It's called an inspection plate. It's just a plate where you can have your inspection sticker put on so it's not on your fork. There we go. So now we got a better picture of what we want to do.
Well, let's take this bolt out and see. So people said they put them here. There's no real spot to do it.
Right there. All right. Ran into a little bit of a problem. See that bolt there? That's where he wants to put his inspection plate and have it come down here. All right. Aluminum. And it's a 5mm Allen. And he spun it once. He doesn't want to touch it now. Or, you know, what the hell? It's in there. Good. All right, so we're back today. We're going to try to get that bolt out that in the brake line blocks there. All right. He went and bought a hand impact tool, and so you smack it with a hammer, and it kind of jolts it and twists it a little bit at the same time when you hit it.
Yep. So
hard. That didn't work either. It just rounded the hole more. So he doesn't know what he's going to do now. If he's going to try to take it to the shop so they can drill it out, put another bolt in, or if he wants to try to tap it out ourselves. But
I'm back over in my garage today. I want to do a quick little update on the inspection sticker plate that I attempted to do last year and ran into multiple issues. I do finally have the plate installed. It does work fantastic. Let me explain a couple of the problems I ran into last year, and then I'll show you how it looks. Well, first of all, let me go ahead and switch it around. Alright, so I finally do have it installed so you can see what it looks like now. Okay? It actually fits in there beautifully. And I had the bolt, I replaced the bolt myself. What ended up happening was this little block, I'll show you on the other side. Right here. They use aluminum hex bolt going into a little aluminum block behind there. So aluminum on aluminum is not the brightest bulb in the box. When you put aluminum to aluminum like that, they kind of meld together. So I had a hell of a time getting it out myself. I ended up stripping the head before I bought the right tool to do the job. And then I replaced it with a steel bolt. Okay. As you can look at the reviews, I had this right here. So I had to, I kind of grinded out a little bit of the block so it sits down on there flat. The great thing is, sticker sticks to this beautifully. No longer have it, falling off every 5 minutes, because on this matte blue, no sticker will stick. The stickers doesn't like stick to this. I even tried it originally right in here. As you can see, some of the sticker goo, and it doesn't hold there either. So, make sure that you buy the right bolt. And also, if you're going to try to take it out yourself, make sure you use a punch press rather than a regular screwdriver or anything like that. Basically, you just tap this in there, make sure it nice and fit, and you tap it and it jerks the bolt free. Without that, you're definitely going to strip something. So that's where it is. It looks great now. Thank you for watching.